Hi everyone, this is CoinRabbit and today I'll be showing you how to get an instant crypto loan. Firstly, let's take a look at the loan calculator. The loan term depends only on your wish to buy your collateral back and close the loan of reaching the liquidation limit. The interest rate is collected every month from the moment of getting the loan and is paid at the moment of closing it. The collateral currency liquidation rate defines at which market price your collateral will be automatically sold. So, set up your loan using different collateral options, then click the Get the Loan button. Secondly, confirm it with a phone and your payout stablecoin address where you want to receive funds. Also, take a look at the loan details. Don't forget to check all of your information carefully. After you have confirmed the transaction, send your deposit to the generated address. You can also use the QR code provided. Then wait for the transaction to complete. Now you will see your loan page with the current coin price and loan status. Use your loan as long as you want. Every time you visit our website again, you can check the status of your loan using Track My Loan. Let's see what else we can do. So, what about increasing your deposit? Click the Increase Deposit button. Send your deposit to the generated address. Notice how liquidation price has changed. Okay, now is the time to close the loan. Click the Repay Deposit button. Set your collateral address when you want to get your funds back. Then pay the full price of repayment, and when we get it, we will return your collateral. In the end, you can see all the information about your loan. We would really appreciate your feedback on Trustpilot or if you join our Telegram community. So, thank you very much for watching.